Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about parabola using rectangular method. Okay. So here we have to set the basic prerequisites. First units, limits, then zoom. Okay. So first I will set the units. So here I will set the precision 0. So here millimeter. Okay. Then give OK. After that, limits. We have to fix the paper size. So lower left corner is 0, and specify the upper right corner 420, 297. Then give enter. After that, zoom all. This prerequisite is important to draw the diagram. Next, I will create one rectangular using line. Okay, so line. So it is not going straight, right? So we have to switch on the ortho. So for shortcut you can press F8, so or enable this icon. So I will take this one as 80, then height I will take 120. Same this side 80, this side is 120. You can select this end, otherwise you can select C for close your diagram. Okay, then give enter. Okay, now you can check the dimension. So go to annotation. So here annotate, then go to dimension. Here select the linear. So select the first corner and a end point. Okay, so 80. So here measure the vertical distance. Okay, so now we don't want dimension. Finally we can draw the dimension. So here I'm going to divide the segment. So here I'm going to divide into 5, 6, as your request, as your wish. Okay, so use the divide command. Okay, select the object. This is my object. So I'm going to divide into 5 or 6. Okay, so it is the points are not visible. So go to P type and select the point type. Okay, I will select. You can select any one. So here must you have to set the set size and in absolute units. Okay, then give OK. So now points is visible, right? So here, so vertical distance we have selected 6 points, right? So six we have divided into 6. So horizontal distance we have to divide into 6 plus 6 into 2, because I'm going to divide this rectangle into, first we have to divide into 2. After that, here in this half portion we have to create 6, and another half portion we have to create the 6. So we need total number of points is 12. Okay, so here if you divide in this side 5 means here you have to 5 into 2. Okay, so now go to divide command. So select the object. So here we have to divide into total number of segments. Okay, so now I'm going to draw a line. Go to line command. Okay, this is my first. So if you want to repeat the same comments, just press enter. That's it. Where okay, where is my center point, right? So, so after that we can mirror it. In this side we can mirror it. Okay. So now I'm going to join this point to this point. Okay. After that, same procedure. This is my top point. This is my origin point, right? So I will join all the point in this origin. Okay. Now we have to find out the intersecting point. Just look at here. So this line is intersecting with this line, right? So here we have to create one point. I will copy this one. If you want paste the point, just press Ctrl V. So it is intersecting here. So I will change the color of this point. Okay. So after, you can copy this point, and so this second line is intersecting with this second line. Okay. Next, same. So third line with this third line. Okay. Again fourth line with this line. Then this line. So this is my origin, right, topmost point. So here also we have to create point, and this is my starting point. Here also we have to create the points. Okay. So now we have to draw the line. So here suppose if you choose polyline means we can get the line only. So we can check here. It is not a curve, right? Okay. Check. This is not a straight line, right? So it is not a curve. So we have to select here, go to draw toolbar. So here select the spline fit. So this is my starting point, this is my second point, this is my third point, fourth, fifth, sixth, this is my topmost point. Just come out the your diagram and press right key of your mouse, then give enter. Okay, now check it. Okay, we got the line. So I will change the color. Okay, now we have to draw this side also. So we can use the mirror command. This is mirror command, otherwise you can type here mirror, then give enter, select the mirror object. This is my mirror object. We need to mirror the line. So after that give enter. So it will ask the first point. This is my first point, and this is my second point. So this highlighted blue line is my source object, right? So we need the source object, so simply give no. Okay, so after that you can join this two line using the join command or region command. You can now check it is converted into single object, right? So after that we have to measure the dimension. Okay, so you can suppose I will explain how move and copy command will work. Okay, so I'm going to move this. I want this line separately means just you can use the move command. Select this line and give enter to ask the start point or base point. Okay, so you can use the move command for move the your diagram. Okay, so suppose if you use the copy command, so if you use the move command, you can get the original object. Okay, so suppose I am using copy command. Just see the difference. So this is my copy command. So I am copying this object. Then simply give enter. It will ask the base point. If you use the copy command means we can create the multiple object and duplicate object. Okay, multiple duplicate object by using the copy command. So if you want to come out from this command, just simply press escape. Okay. So now just look at the copy and move commands. Okay. So if you want to create the a number of same components means you can use the copy command. Suppose no need a number of objects means simply you can move from one place to another place means you can use the move command. Okay. So suppose if you want to delete the object means just simply select the object, delete it. Okay. If you want to trim the object, so suppose if you want to remove this inside portion means, so just go to trim command, select this object, trim it. Okay. So suppose uh, just look at that. So you can create like this also if you using the trim command. Okay. So if you want to delete the entire object means just select this object and this object give delete. If you want to move the window means you can use the pan command, this and symbol. Okay. If you want to zoom means you can use this symbol. So if you use the rotate command for rotate the object. Okay. Rotate any angle. Okay. So pan command. So just I will explain the trim command also. So just select the object and trim the unwanted portion. Okay. Suppose if you want to this trim command, suppose if you want to extend this line, just simply select this line. So here, okay, select the endpoint, give stretch or lengthen. Okay, you can lengthen the line also. So these are the simple tools for modifying the your line or curve or any parameters. Okay, so thank you. Next video we can see how to create the 3D and how we can use the special features as well as Boolean operations to create the solid objects. Thank you.